Today, we're going to talk about Los Angeles, where raging wildfires continue to threaten homes and communities, fueled by strong Santa Ana winds and dry conditions. These fires have forced thousands of residents to evacuate and have left a trail of destruction in their wake. Now, a lot of people claim that this disaster, is the consequences of human themselves. Well, there's a reason behind it because at the 82nd Golden Globe Awards, which was held on January 5, 2025 in Los Angeles, host Nikki Glazer delivered a monologue that included remarks perceived by some as irreverent towards religious sentiments. She humorously noted that despite numerous acceptance speeches thanking various individuals, not a single winner had thanked God, attributing this to the nature of the town. Shortly after the event, devastating wildfires erupted in the Los Angeles area, leading some to draw connection between the award show's content and the subsequent natural disaster. Certain commentators suggested that the fires were a form of divine retribution for the perceived mockery of God during the ceremony. The concept of referring to Los Angeles or similar places as a godless city during major disasters like wildfires often stem from certain religious interpretations. People who claim such view often attribute disasters to divine retribution for perceived moral failings or lack of religiosity in the community. If we talk about religious perspective on wildfires in godless cities, the number one we can point out is perceived moral decay. Religious critics often associate cities like Los Angeles, known for their modern lifestyles, entertainment industries, and progressive ideologies, with moral decay. They view activities like excessive consumerism, perceived hedonism, and reduced emphasis on traditional values as distancing society from spirituality. Another perspective on this wildfire is divine punishment belief. Many faith traditions across history have interpreted natural disasters as sign of divine punishment or warnings. Some argue that wildfires, earthquakes, or floods are God's way of punishing or cautioning humanity for turning away from morals and spiritual principles. Then there is criticism of Hollywood as well. Los Angeles, as the hub of Hollywood, has frequently been criticized by conservative religious groups for promoting content they consider morally corrupt, such as depiction of violence, sexuality, or secular ideologies. However, if we talk about scientific explanation on this wildfire, then the reason is climate change. Rising temperatures and prolonged droughts make areas like California highly vulnerable. Then there are human activity as well, like urban expansion, improper fire management, and power line sparks often play significant roles in such deadly fires. Religious explanations can coexist with scientific views by addressing the moral responsibility humans have toward the environment. The claim that wildfires in Los Angeles are caused by the city being godless is rooted in specific moralistic and religious ideologies, often reflecting dissatisfaction with modern lifestyles and values. However, it is vital to approach such disasters with compassion and rational understanding, combining faith based solidarity with scientific and environmental solutions to mitigate future risks.